Hi, I'm Craig. I work here at Leongatha Secondary College as a member of the ICT team. The purpose of this video is to guide Year 7 students through the Leongatha Secondary College iPad setup process. To successfully set up your iPad for use at Leongatha Secondary College, you will need two things. First, you will need the iPad you intend to use at Leongatha Secondary College. We prefer that this iPad is running the current version of iPad OS. If you're going to use an iPad that you used in primary school, we recommend you erase all content and settings and update the iPad to the latest version of iPad OS before you follow the steps in this video. This will give your device a fresh start, ready for secondary college. Second, you'll need a copy of your Leongatha Secondary College username and password. Students will receive their Leongatha Secondary College username and password on transition day, provided they've agreed to our acceptable use policy. If you don't yet have a suitable device to use in Year 7, we invite all families to have a read through our Bring Your Own Device information. Please use the link we've included on screen now to access our Bring Your Own Device information. The setup process has been broken down into 5 sections that includes the following. Section 1. Connect to the Leongatha SC wireless network. This is the only section that can't be completed at home, and it's not necessary to complete this step first. If you're following this guide at home, please skip to Section 2. Section 2. Device enrollment. This step can be completed at home. This step will ensure your device gets enrolled into our iPad management system. This will enable you to access school apps and enables us to push out important settings to your iPad. Section 3. This section can be completed at home. This involves opening the self-service app and installing the Compass app. Section 4. This can be completed at home. This involves setting up and accessing your Leongatha Secondary College email. And Section 5. This step can also be completed at home. This is setting up and accessing Compass. If you receive a new iPad during the Christmas holiday break, we encourage you to have a go at setting your iPad up at home during the break. This will help ensure you're all ready to rock and roll when school begins in 2023. You can complete 4 out of the 5 steps at home, provided your iPad can access the internet when you're at home. Alrighty, let's dive into the steps. Section 1. Connect to the Leongatha Secondary College Wi-Fi network. To connect to our Wi-Fi network, we'd like you to find and tap on the Settings app on your iPad. Once you're in the Settings app, we'd like you to tap on the Wi-Fi menu button. Once you've tapped on Wi-Fi, this will show you a list of wireless networks that are located in the area. Tap on Leongatha SC. You'll now be prompted for your username and password. Please enter your Leongatha Secondary College username. You'll notice this is just the username section, not the entire email address. I'm going to use a test account here. So I've entered AAA0006 and a password. Once you've entered your username and password, please tap the Join button. Once you've tapped Join, you'll be prompted to trust a certificate. Please tap the Trust button. Once you've tapped Trust, it'll take a few moments to connect to our wireless network. Once connected, you'll see a blue tick icon next to Leongatha SC. And that's it. You've completed step 1. Section 2. Device enrollment. This step will ensure your device gets enrolled into our iPad management system. This will enable you to access school apps that are found in the self-service app and enables us to push out important settings to your iPad. To get your device enrolled, we'd like you to find and tap the Safari icon on your iPad. In the address bar, we'd like you to navigate to https://leongatha.sc/iPad setup. Once this page loads, you'll be prompted to enter your Leongatha Secondary College email address and password. We're going to enter our test credentials again. We'd like you to enter your full Leongatha Secondary College email address, and your Leongatha Secondary College password. Once you've done this, tap the login button. Once you've logged in, you'll be prompted to enroll your device in our MDM. Tap on the blue Continue button. Once you've tapped this, you'll be prompted to download a configuration profile. Tap the Allow button. You'll now be notified that a profile has been downloaded. We'd now like you to tap the Close button. We'd now like you to navigate to the Settings app to find our profile. We can now see that the profile's been downloaded, and we can tap on the Profile Downloaded button. Once we've tapped this button, we can see the prompt to install our MDM profile. We'd like you to tap the blue Install button. You'll now be given a warning. We would like you to tap the Install button on this particular window. Now we can see an Install Profile prompt. We'd like you to tap the red Install button. It will take a couple of moments to begin the installation process. We can now see another warning screen here. We'd like you to tap the blue Install button. And we can now see another notification about remote management. We'd like you to tap the Trust button. This should finalize the process. We can now see that the profile's been installed. We can now tap the Done button. If we navigate back to Safari, we should now see that the enrollment process is completed. Now let's navigate to our home screen. We can now see that the iPad is beginning to receive some apps and bookmarks here. We can see the help desk icon has appeared. If we wait just a moment, we should be prompted to install some additional apps. Okay, we can see that we're being prompted to install an app here. We would like you to tap the blue Install button. If you've got a brand new iPad that's just been set up, you may be prompted to edit your home screen. We'd like you to tap the Dismiss button. We can now see you're being prompted to install another app. Let's tap the Install button. And there's one more app to install. Let's tap the Install button on this as well. We can now see the iOS self-service app, the Google Meet app, and the NAPLAN lockdown browser. This finalizes the device enrollment section. Section 3, opening the self-service app and installing the Compass app. Now that we've enrolled our device, we can see the iOS self-service app. We'd like you to find this on your iPad and tap on it to open it. We'll be prompted to enable notifications for the self-service app. We'd like you to tap the Allow button. We can now see a blue arrow that we'd like you to tap on. This is the self-service app. We think of the self-service app like the App Store, just for Leongatha Secondary College. In here, we'd like you to tap the All button from the menu on the left-hand side. This will show you all the apps that you can install on your iPad for use at Leongatha Secondary College. We'd now like you to find Compass School Manager in the list and tap the Install button. This will begin the installation of the Compass School Manager app. You'll be prompted to install the app. We would like you to tap the Install button. You can now navigate to your home screen. And here you can see that the Compass app is installing and loading onto your iPad. That finishes Section 3. Section 4, setting up and accessing your Leongatha Secondary College email account. To access your Leongatha Secondary College email on your iPad, we recommend that you enter your password into the Settings app on your iPad. To do this, let's find and tap on the Settings app to open it. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down and find the Mail option and tap on it once. Now let's tap Accounts. In the Accounts section, you should see LSC Google account listed in the Accounts. We'd like you to find this and tap on it once. We can now see that your Leongatha Secondary College email address has been automatically populated. However, you need to re-enter a password. Please tap the blue Re-enter Password button. This will now prompt you to confirm that the email address is correct. Please make sure this is your Leongatha Secondary College email address and tap the blue Next button. You'll now be prompted to enter your Leongatha Secondary College password. Please enter your password and tap the blue Next button. This will now add your Leongatha Secondary College email address to your iPad. We'd also recommend that you turn on note syncing. This will ensure that your notes are all synced up with your Leongatha Secondary College Google account. We'd now like you to navigate to the Mail app on your iPad. And once we open that up, the Mail app should start checking for new emails on your iPad. If we want to take a look to see if the Mail has begun the synchronization process, let's tap this icon at the top here. And we can see that the LSC Google account has been successfully added to the device. And we can now see that there are several emails that have synced up with your iPad. And that's it. That finalizes the setting up of email on your iPad. Well done. Section 5, setting up and accessing Compass. We installed the Compass app in one of the earlier sections of this video guide. Let's find the Compass app on your iPad and tap on it once to open it. If this is the first time you're opening Compass, you may be prompted to allow Compass to send notifications. We recommend that you tap the Allow button. We're now prompted to tap here to begin a search for the school. We'd like you to tap here and start typing Leongatha, and you'll see Leongatha Secondary College appear in the list of schools. Please find and tap on Leongatha Secondary College. You are now prompted to enter your username and password. This is your username. You don't need to enter your full Leongatha Secondary College email address here, just the first part, just your username. And now we'd like you to type in your password and tap the login button. You should now have successfully logged into Compass. And that's it. That finalizes the setup of your iPad for use at Leongatha Secondary College. If you've been able to complete each section of this video guide successfully, congratulations. Your iPad is set up and ready to use at Leongatha Secondary College. Should you have any problems or questions, the ICT team is here to help. We have a couple of different ways you can access ICT support. First of all, we have a live chat option. You can navigate to leongatha.sc/live chat and you can chat with us in real time and we'll attempt to resolve any problems that you might have. Another option is sending us an email, and we'd like you to email support@leonsec.vic.edu.au. This will create a ticket in our help desk system and we'll do our best to get back to you as soon as we can. Or of course, you can visit us in the ICT office, and the ICT office is located in the administration building. All right, thanks very much, and we hope you have a great time in Year 7. Thanks.